This is no dampeners. This is one dampener, two dampers in place. This is one of the dampers I'm putting in. This is the hinge that we're going to be fitting it to. You can see it has this nice void where these features will clip into place. And there's the hinge in place. You can see that it sticks out a bit this way, but not much that way. On this side of the wardrobe, you can see the hinges come out this way a bit, so I had to use this extended type, but they work in just the same way. I don't have a tripod here, so I'm not going to be able to film this very well, but nonetheless. So this is one out of the box. You can see these two tabs are just bent at 90 degrees, here and here, and that guy is quite far to the back. I'm going to start out by gripping low down and bending these two tabs out at an angle. So now you can see those tabs are sticking out at an angle. And I'm going to grab them halfway up and bend them back in, so they're going to become a sort of C shape. So I didn't get that particularly neat, but you can see what I've done. These are both sort of C shapes. And that looks okay. Now this other one there, I'm just going to bend that forwards. And that's probably enough. I decided to go ahead and put the third one on this side, and now it's absolutely silent. I'm very happy with that result. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. You can adapt something to another thing. You know, things don't have to be made to go together. We can adapt them with our brain cells and a few simple hand tools. I hope you all enjoyed. Please feel free to like the video. It always lets me know I've done a good job, and I'll see you next time.